Today we are starting with the chapter number 5, which is arithmetic progression. Class 10th Maths, and this video will have introduction. So we'll discuss what is arithmetic progression, what are its properties, how to find the different terms, how to find sum of the terms. All these things we'll discuss in this chapter, arithmetic progression. So let us start. What is a arithmetic progression? Suppose you get 500 rupees per month as a pocket money, and if you do well, your parents have promised that you will get 50 rupees increase every month. So first month you will get 500, next month you will get 550, and then in the next month you will get 600, and in the next month 650 rupees, and you will get 650. You will get 700 rupees, then you will get 750 rupees, and so on. Suppose this promise is only for say 10 months. You will get 500, 550, 600, 650, 700, 750, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then it will continue up to 10th month. No, 12 months. Okay. So after 12 months, as promised, you will not get. So this is a finite arithmetic progression. Finite means the fixed number of terms. And if your parents have promised you that you will always get money like this and endlessly, that means you will get, this will be infinite progression. Now, there is a difference of 50 rupees, there is a difference of 50 rupees, there is a difference of 50 rupees. Everywhere the difference is 50 rupees. So this difference between one amount and the next month, it is called common difference. Common difference of the elements of the arithmetic progression. This first term is called, or it is represented by A. First term is normally represented by A. And this is represented by A plus D. Because the difference is 50 rupees, that is D. So 550 rupees means A plus D. And this can be represented as A plus 2D, and this as A plus 3D, and so on, where D is the common difference. Okay. So this is your, you can also write this as your A1 first term. This you can write it as A2 also. A plus D can be written as A2, and A plus 2D can be written as A3. So in this way you can also write like this, A4. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. First is A1, second is A2, third term is A3. And if we continuously write like this, for nth term, for any general term, it will become A plus. Now this is the third term. A plus 3D is a fourth term. but here written, it is written 3D. Fourth term written as 3D, third term is written as 2D, second term is written as 1D. That means number of terms here it is 1 less than the number of term. Number of term is 4, but here we are writing 3. So in this way, if you generalize, you will get A plus N minus 1 into D. Suppose this is nth term. A, here it is N minus. It is a generalization of this sequence, this series. Again listen, first term is A, second is A plus D, third is A plus 2D, and fourth is A plus 3D. It is a fourth term, but here 3 is written, 1 less than the number of term. 1 less than the number of term. 1 less than the number of the term. Okay. So this is a general formula for representing any arithmetic progression, general term. So I can write it as an is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is a general formula for writing general term. An is the general term. Okay. Now next step is how to calculate the D. If you are given an arithmetic progression, then how to find D? D, if you subtract from this one, this minus this, or this minus this minus this, that is D. D is equal to 550 minus 500, or D can also, you can write 650 minus 600. That means first you have to write the succeeding term, and you have to subtract the preceding term. So from anywhere you can write D, you can calculate from here also. From here, 750 minus 700, it is the same. D everywhere is 50. In this case, 50. So is it clear? Don't subtract this from this. You have to subtract. Journal we will write Dn is equal to an plus 1 minus an. अगली टर्म में से पिछली वाली टर्म को माइनस कर. हो गया क्लियर? उसके बाद D can be positive, D can be negative also. For example, if I am writing sequence like this, 45, 43, 41, 39, 37, 35, and so on. So here D is how much? It is 43 minus 45, which is equal to minus 2. So D can be minus also. D can be plus also. Similarly, if I calculate D from here, D is equal to 35 minus 37. Next term में से previous term को minus करना है. Next term में से previous term को minus करना है. It is minus 2. D can be 0 also. D can be 0 also. For example, if I write 2, 2, 2, 2 and so on, this is also arithmetic progression with D is equal to 0. D can take any value, positive, negative or 0. D can be first positive number, number 2 negative number, number 3 0. Clear? Different examples of the arithmetic progression. Examples 1, 2, 3, 4 and on. It is AP, arithmetic progression, because D is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. D is, you can calculate 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So it is AP and it is infinite because this number continues. This AP, this is AP infinite. Okay. Or I can take another example, 100, 70, 40, 10 and so on. D is equal to 70 minus 100. It is equal to minus 30. Or you can also find out D 40 minus 70. It is equal to minus 30. So this is a reducing, and D is minus. Here D is plus. Here D is minus. So I can take another example. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 and 0. How much is D? D is equal to minus 2 minus 3. इसमें से इसको माइनस करना है, which is equal to minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1. So if you add plus 1 over here, it will become minus 2. So D is a 1 in this case, and this is infinite. If I write AP like this, AP, this is also AP. If I write AP like this, 3, 3, 3, 3 and so on. Here also D is how much? 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. D is 0. And this is also called, because D is fixed everywhere, so it is a AP, arithmetic progression. General term, we have learned how to write general term. General term we can write like this. AN is equal to, general term we can write like this. General term. General term means AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now there is one more important fact about it. Let us talk. This is a term number 1 and its value is 500. This is a term number 1 and its value is 500. This is term number 2 and its value is 550 rupees. And this is a term number 3, its value is 600. So value we are writing with AN. And this number of term we are writing with N only. N means it can be A1, A2, A3. So N will be 3 over here. 1, 2, 3 terms है इसमें. N will be 3. And what is the value of A1? A1 is 500. A2 is 550. And A3 is 600. So this difference you must understand clearly. Number of terms and the value of the term. These are two different things. Value of the term you can find like this. This is a formula for finding the value of the term. And कौन सी term है, दूसरी है, तीसरी है, चौथी है, it is written N. N is equal to 3, N is equal to 4, N is equal to 10. That means number of term इसमें 10 है. ये पहली टर्म है, ये सेकंड टर्म है, ये थर्ड टर्म है, ये फोर्थ टर्म है. वैल्यू कितनी है? 650, 600, 550. So these are the basics about the arithmetic progression. Finite and infinite we have discussed. If the sequence ends, if the progression ends After certain number of terms, it is finite. If continuous, it is infinite. So this is all about the introduction part of it. We will start with the exercise in the next video.